Welcome back, folks. Again, we're looking at Nifty Futures August contract, the hourly chart, and continuing with our daily analysis using AIC's proprietary price time cause and effect analysis system, Prime Case. Nifty Futures opened today with a gap up right at R1, 16,550, and got rejected down until the 10:30 this morning. R1 was overcome with difficulty only in the final minutes of the 11:30 hour to close at 16,555. In the following hours, after completing a perfect backtest of R1, Nifty broke above R3, 16,615, in the penultimate hour of trade to finally close below a crucial support level in the final hour at 16,616. This is the level we anticipated in yesterday's video for Nifty Futures for August the 24th. Now, Nifty is at a cusp of breaking out in either direction tomorrow, Wednesday, August the 25th. If prices can close above R3, 16,615 level tomorrow, we can expect Nifty to make a new all-time high above 16,700 levels by the close of trade. However, if Nifty future prices cannot hold above R3 16,615, we hold to our view that 16,400 levels could be backtested Thursday or Friday this week. This we mentioned in yesterday's video. To summarize, we are bullish above 16,615 for Nifty to make a new all-time high tomorrow, failing which we could see prices backtest 16,400 by the end of this week. So that's it, folks. This is our analysis of Nifty Futures August contract trading on the National Stock Exchange for Wednesday, August the 25th. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.